2010 is when the story will officially begin. Danika is outgoing, meeting friends who are fun, while Ryan at first is the quiet one. Tried to get her attention. What could she possibly do? Because let's face it, Paul's men really don't have a clue. Senior year, and time is running thin. Ryan finally figures it out, and their romance would begin. Out here in the West, a new world to explore. They are hiking and camping, enjoying the great outdoors. But something was missing. They knew they wanted more. The patter of little feet. Why settle for two when you can have four? Then the time has come. Ryan knew he wanted to wed. He proposed to Danny. Their vows will be read. That's why we're here today. They can express their love before all of us and God above. Let's raise our glasses so I can end this toast to Danika and Ryan. We all love them the most.
Danika and Ryan.